This happens to your body when you eat figs every day. A fig is a soft fruit with a thin skin that can be either green or purple. The flesh of a fig is typically red, and the entirety of the fruit is edible. People have used figs to help treat health conditions related to the endocrine, reproductive, and respiratory systems, as well as the digestive tract. A fig is a nutritious fruit that provides a lot of calcium and fiber. People can choose to eat fresh or dried figs, but they should be mindful that dried figs contain more calories and sugar. People can use figs to help treat a variety of conditions, as they are unlikely to cause harm. However, there is not currently enough research to back up many of the claims associated with the alleged health benefits of figs. 1. Assist in cardiovascular function, lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Figs are a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps to control blood pressure. In animal studies, pectin, a soluble fiber found in fig leaves, has been shown to lower levels of triglycerides within the body. Figs also contain high levels of polyphenol antioxidants which have been proven to help prevent atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. 2. Improve reproductive health. Clinical studies have shown figs help to increase sperm motility and count, both of which are essential for reproductive health. Researchers believe this connection might be linked to the amino acids, magnesium and calcium found in figs. 3. Aid in weight loss and promote healthy bowel function. The dietary fiber and low amount of calories found in figs have been shown to have positive correlations to weight loss and weight management. 4. Help with kidney function. A study on laboratory animals published in the Natural Products Research Journal found compounds in fig leaves reduced injury to the kidneys caused by high cholesterol levels. 5. Protect against cancer. Figs top the list for fruits highest in fiber, sharing this title with apples, dates, pears and prunes. An 8-year study involving 51,823 postmenopausal women showed a 34% reduction in breast cancer risk for those consuming the most fruit fiber compared to those consuming the least. Additional studies have found that while in vitro, figs inhibited the growth of certain types of cancer cells. 6. Lower insulin levels. Figs have repeatedly been shown to have anti-diabetic properties and can reduce the amount of insulin needed by diabetics who require insulin injections. However, due to the high sugar content found in figs, it is important for diabetics to consult with their physician prior to adding figs to their diets. 7. Promote bone density. A serving of 10 dried figs provides 220 to 269 milligrams of calcium. This is about 20% of the recommended daily value for calcium. It is also believed that the high potassium content of figs may counteract the urinary excretion of calcium caused by diets high in sodium. Preventing the loss of calcium through the urine keeps calcium in bones and lessens the risk of bone diseases such as osteoporosis. 8. Reduce risk of macular degeneration. The Archives of Ophthalmology indicates that eating 3 or more servings of fruit per day may lower your risk of age-related macular degeneration, ARMD, the primary cause of vision loss in older adults, by 36%, compared to people who consume less than 1.5 servings of fruit daily. 9. Naturally cure anemia, iron deficiency. Anemia is a condition in which your body does not produce enough healthy red blood cells to carry adequate oxygen to your tissues. Figs contain copper and iron, 2 minerals required for red blood cell formation and cellular oxidation. 10. Enhance digestive wellness. Figs also contain prebiotics, which help support the pre-existing good bacteria in the gut. Good bacteria is essential in maintaining optimal digestive health. Risks while consuming figs. Figs are 100% natural and do not possess any potential risks or harm to your body. However, you can keep the following things in mind before starting to consume figs on a regular basis. People who have sensitive skin should avoid the consumption and application of figs to stay away from various allergic reactions. Never consume unripe figs as they produce white latex that tends to cause severe allergy around your mouth and lips, which might spread to the rest of the body. Overconsumption of figs can promote weight gain. If you're headed for your weight loss journey, you can restrict the consumption of figs. Diabetic person should consult their doctors before the consumption of figs as it may increase blood sugar levels.